My name is Jack Temple III with Tailored Chemical Products. We're rebranding, doing business as Tailored Adhesives, so you'll see both names as you're going through the plant. And I am president here at Tailored Chemical Products. What's unique about our business is that we're one of the few family-owned, medium-sized adhesive companies left in the United States. We make a lot of different types of adhesives here. We make water-based adhesives, we make pressure-sensitive hot melt adhesives, we make emulsion polymers, caulks, things like that. The majority of what we do are commercial industrial adhesives. That's probably 80% of what we do. But we also make some consumer products that you would see on the big box stores like a Walmart or a Lowe's or Michael's or something like that. When COVID started and all the high demand for packaged goods went through the roof with Amazon and prepackaged foods, labor became an even bigger issue. We were an essential industry here at Tailored, so we had to continue to run. So we had to make decisions at times about which lines we would run or would not run based on availability of people. We really started looking at the possibility of doing more end-of-line automation. You know, end-of-line packaging was always a position that was not the preferred position in the plant because it was so repetitive, moving boxes from the conveyor to the pallet, from the conveyor to the pallet over and over. So by having the cobot there that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, it was just one less position that we have to worry about, so it was able to help us do more with less. Some people might ask and have asked, well, hey, what did your other employees think about the fact that you're putting on a machine that's going to be taking away jobs? Well, end-of-line packaging is the position that's so repetitive that most people don't want to do. So nobody shed a tear in this plant over the fact that they didn't have to stack boxes anymore. You know, it was a win-win situation because at the end of the day, from a management standpoint, we're always trying to do things to help our employees work smarter, not harder. So we started working with Cross about two and a half years ago. It's nice to be able to call somebody and they're less than an hour away. Service people are close by, so that's a huge plus for me. I really wouldn't have considered working with an integrator that was more than a couple hours away from where I was located. As our business has grown, space has become very tight as we've added more manufacturing equipment. The cobots fit in a very small space. They can interact with the employees, and it's not arduous for the employees to reset it. It's very user-friendly. Working with Cross has been great, all the way from sales to the operations side. Everybody's done what they said they were going to do. The time frames have been reasonable. The meeting and the factory acceptance test went great. You know, when you buy something, you have high expectations it's going to come in and you're going to be able to hit go and it's going to start working immediately. And that's what happened with the units that we bought from Cross. And I would, strongly recommend the machine and recommend Cross as an integrator.